Okay, so now we're going to talk about combining commands with direct objects. So just a quick review of a direct object. If we have a sentence such as write your name, we have the verb write, which corresponds to escribir, and then we have name. So if we want to replace name, we have to look at it and first of all think, is it first person, second person, or a third person? And name is a thing, right? It's a noun. So we're going to use this third option, and then we have to ask, is it singular or plural? And we know it's singular. Masculine or feminine? So it's masculine in Spanish, nombre, and nombre is masculine, and it's singular. So this is the choice we're going to use, lo, because it's singular and it's masculine. So we want to say write it. We don't want to say name, we want to replace name. Write it. That's our direct object pronoun. So we're going to use the verb escribir, but we're going to use it in the command form with usted, so it would be escriba, and that's what we have here. And then we're going to tag on our direct object pronoun, which is lo, because again it corresponds to nombre, singular, masculine. And when it is a positive, we're saying do something, then we stick it all together and it actually looks like one word. There's no space. So it becomes escríbalo, write it. When we stick it together like that and it becomes one word, generally we have an accent mark. And how do we know where our accent mark goes? Well, you're going to count by your vowels, A, E, I, O, U. You're going to start from the back. So we have vowel 1, vowel 2, vowel 3, accent mark. And it becomes escríbalo, write it. Now, if the command is negative, we are saying do not do something, do not write your name. Then we are going to put our lo in front of our verb, so it no longer is one word. And we're going to sandwich it between the no and the verb. So it would be no lo escriba. In that case, we do not have our accent mark because we don't have our 3 vowels. And again, it is not one word, it becomes before the verb. So, positive form in a command, escríbalo, write it. Negative form, don't write it, no lo escriba. And remember, our direct object pronoun comes right before our verb in the negative form.